Having a bad day, what can be better than doing a glow-up routine? That means even doing the nails. But having an appointment with a nail stylist can be both time-consuming and expensive. So the next best thing for you would be if you can do your nails at home. So today's video is all about how to do polygel nails at home step by step. Polygel is nail enhancement just like acrylic, but it can actually be described as a gel-acrylic hybrid formula. If you want an in-depth video on how polygel and acrylic nails are different, comment down below. Now, if you're attempting to do polygel nails at home, what would need at first is supplies. As attempting to do the process without any proper tools can be both frustrating and it could potentially damage your nails. So here's everything you would need to successfully pull off a set of gorgeous DIY polygel nails at home. But before we start, we would like to say that we would link down in the description box all the products or similar products we have used in this video. First, we would need a polygel nail kit, as there are many great kits that are available online with a lot of variety and color options. You need to choose a top-rated one that works with your budget and style. Here we are using Madeline's Poly Extension Gel Nail Kit. This kit comes with 6 different rich pigmented colors that have a low smell. It also has a 10 ml base coat and a top coat. Moreover, the kit also comes with 48 pieces of dual forms in 12 different sizes. Plus, you will also get 6-watt mini nail lamp, nail file, and nail dust brush pen. It has everything you need and it can be carried anywhere, so you can do manicure anywhere at home or while you're traveling. So coming to dual forms or nail forms, both are actually shells that are placed over the nail to sculpt. One of the biggest differences between these two is that dual forms are multi-use and nail forms are single-use. As we are more comfortable with the dual form, we are using dual forms in this video. Base coat and top coat are 2 staples you should need whenever you DIY a manicure, because both of them aid in prepping and sealing the nails. As we have the top coat and base coat, with our kit, we're using that one. A UV LED nail lamp helps to cure the nail or harden the polish. This helps the product to last longer on your nails and makes your nails more sturdy. So we're using a 36-watt smart UV LED lamp that has 12 LEDs. There are plenty of UV lamps available on Amazon. If you want to use a similar kind of UV lamp, you can use the Sun UV LED nail lamp. The Sun UV comes with 18 strategically placed LED lights. Moreover, it comes with both UV and LED lamps. This dual light source cures all your gel nails as fast as 30 seconds. With its automatic sensor, you do not need to press any key and it works for 99 seconds. To top it all up, you can use the Sun UV LED lamp in your home and also professional services. For spatula and nail brushes, you will need a designed polygel brush that has a square angle tip. Think of it like a paintbrush. The one we are using came with the kit. However, you can also use one that came in the kit, or you can buy an individual spatula and nail brush. Monomer or slip solution that is necessary to wet the brush so that your polygel doesn't completely dry. You can use either one you are comfortable with. Now, the one we are using in this slip solution that came with our polygel kit. Apart from these most important ones, we will also be using nail files, clippers, and electronic nail drills for prepping and buffing the nail while doing our polygel nails. So now that you have a total idea of what you should need for the manicure, let's start doing our nails. For the first step, here, prepping the nail is important. We need to file the nail down and shape it so that we are pushing the cuticles back. You can also cut them if needed. Now, to prevent bleeding, you do not remove too much of the cuticle. So, wash your hands with soap and water after filing the nail and trimming the cuticle. Then check whether the nail is dried before moving further. Now, it's time to remove any remaining oil from your nails by rubbing the nails with rubbing alcohol. Then we're using a primer to prime our nails. However, using a primer is optional, but we should recommend it for a good nail base. After filing your nail to the proper shape, apply a thin base coat and cure it under a UV lamp for 45 to 60 seconds, depending on the base coat requirements. Then, you need to choose the perfect dual forms for your nails. While choosing a dual form, choose one that adjusts with your real nail, so that once your nails have been set, there will be no empty area. Next, dip the brush and from your spatula brush in the slip solution or monomer. Now, this is an important step as it allows you to move the polygel around on the dual form. This also takes care of the matter that too much gel doesn't stick to the brush. So that you've chosen the right dual forms for your nail size, you can begin shaping. For that, dab a small amount of polygel on the dual form. If the gel is not coming out smoothly, run it under warm water for a few seconds. Then, when the polygel is smooth, use the brush and with the help of the slip solution, spread the polygel on your dual form evenly to sculpt it into the desired shape. After you are satisfied with your coating, press the polygel-coated dual form on your nail to adhere. Cure your nails underneath the LED light to set the polygel. Now, we need to remove the dual form. All you need to do is snap it off by squeezing the sides of the dual form and it will come off. It takes a bit of work, but you can do it. Now, shape and lengthen the nail to your liking with an electronic nail file. If you want to glam up your nails a bit more, you can use a few of the rhinestones and glitter. Finally, apply the top coat and cure your nails under the UV LED light for one last time. So, this is how you can do your polygel nails at home. At first, you may find it overwhelming, but 1 or 2 tries you can easily have perfectly manicured nails. So, this is our video on how to do polygel nails at home step by step. Hope the videos are insightful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.